Hi, I'm Kelly with All Solar Cleaning Services. Based here in Orlando, we're your top choice for solar panel cleaning. No one provides more thorough, professional, detail-oriented cleaning at a better price. Let us prove it to you. Your solar panels operate at optimum performance only when they're clean. And at All Solar Cleaning Services, we go above and beyond to ensure your panels are in pristine condition so they can absorb as much light as possible. Even the thinnest film of grime reduces your solar panel's operational efficiency. So our team works to leave your panels spotless so you can get the most energy out of your investment. But grime and buildup isn't the only threat to your solar panel installation. Birds can build nests, leave debris, and scratch your panels, causing irreparable damage that reduces your energy harvest. Our bird-proofing services will protect your panels and your peace of mind. When it comes to keeping your solar installation clean and efficient, there's no better choice than All Solar Cleaning Services. Give us a call today and let us save you time, money, and stress. When you reach out, you'll be connected directly to our friendly staff, so you can expect immediate attention to your inquiry. So don't wait. Contact us today and let us go to work for you.